So let's get started with the coding part. It's recording. Yep, it's recording. Here we have such thing like for the first time, for the first one, for the first zero state, all the values are supposed to be the zero. And when we check the value of x at the zero state, it will give us the x of 0. Because for the first time, the pattern of j minus 1 will give us an empty string. Then when we are simulating our empty string at the state 0, it will give us a 0. So the first state, we update our first state when we have a j of 0 with the значениями индекса стейта a. Но до того, как мы копипастим вот этот вот state вот сюда, мы должны учитывать, if we have a match here, then we have to update this value. Like if we have a match with B, then update it to the 1. Then we have to copy all the stuff to this one and find a match. Here was A, match, then we have to update it to the 2. Then j++, and now we have j over 1, and we have to calculate DFA of the old value of 0 of x is 0, and at the state j is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. Here we have a state of a, and a of old value of x is 0. A of 0 will give us a 0. Then we have to insert at the second state all the values of the 0 state. Here we have 0, 1, 0, and 0. We have to update this one because we have a match here, and it will be 3. Yep. Go further then. We have now j over 3. J over 3 is a, and all value of x is now 1. Then DFA of a over 1, a over 1 is 2. Then we have to insert to the third state the values of the second state. The second state's value is 0. Oh, sorry. We have now we have b over 0. We skipped it. When we are at the third position, we have to calculate the values of here is the third position. The now current j is equal to 2. Here we have 1. Then we have added 1 more, and then we get 2. And here we get the third stage where our j is equal to 2. Then our j is equal to 2. Then we have to search for the 2. 2 is a b, and b with the old value of x is 0. b over 0 is equal to 1. Then we have to insert to the third state the values of the first state. There are 2, 1, 0, 0, but we have to update the 2 because we have match with a, and it will be like 4. Here 1, 0, and 0. Then we go further. At the state 4, we have a j of 3. J over 3 is a with the old value of x, which is equal to 1, is equal to a over 1. A over 1 is a 2. Then we have to get all the values over 2, and let's copy it to the fourth state is 0, 0, 0, and then quickly update this one, from 3 to 5. Then at the state 5 we have a j over 4. J over 4 is a b, and the old value of the x is equal to 2. Then we have to get b over 2. B over 2 give us a 3. Then we know quickly that we have to get the values of the third state and copy to the 5 state. If state is 4, update sorry, 1, 0, and 0. Then we have to update a, because we have a match, it will be 6. Then go further, at the state 6 we have a j over 5. J over 5 gives us an a. The old value of x is now 4. Oh, sorry, 4. So it should be 3. The old value is 3 because we have copied from there. Then we copy all the stuff from the search from. Короче, берем a и 3. A и 3 это 4. Мы берем весь четвертый state и копируем сюда. 0, 5. And here C should be updated. And here's 0. And further, then we have a D. When we have a D, then we have to give a match. Then we have a B, we have to give a match. When we have a, we have to give a match. Then at the state 7, we have j over 6. J over 6 gives us the C, and the old value of x is 4. C over 4 will give us a 0. Then we have to insert all the values of 0 state. At the 8th state, we have a 7 state, G7, which give us the D, and D of 0, because we have copied 0 state. D of 0 give us 0. Then we have to complete it with the 0 state. Then at the 9th one, we have a J over 8. J over 8 give us a B. The old value of x is 0. Then we have to copy all the stuff which is there. And at the final state, we have J over 9. And we have a DFA of A and 1. And I didn't get the idea why in the lecture нам было сказано то, что, получается, тут должно быть то значение, которое, получается, было у нас в начале, но у меня почему-то вышло 2. And that's all, because we have no more J's. Then I think that we had to have to закончить этот loop вот тут. And that's all. It matches with our answers with this one, algorithm itself, and the answer. They are same. Thanks for the watching. Computing with this algorithm is much easier than computed by hand by the logic. Thanks for the Knut, Morris, and Fred. See ya.